Bye-bye, playground. The park is full of happy noise. Kids are running, feet thumping, laughter bouncing. Ziggy runs through the gate. Her hoofs tap fast on the ground. First, the slide. Step, step, step. Whoosh! She laughs. Then the swings. Back, forth, back, forth. Her mane flies behind her. Then the sandpit. Scoop, pour, pat. She builds a tall, wobbly tower. The park feels big, busy, and alive. Mama calls gently, Ziggy, 5 more minutes. Ziggy nods. 5 minutes is not now. I can still play, said Ziggy. She runs back to the slide. Whoosh! Mama calls again. Soon we'll go home. Soon is not now either. The swings are still moving. The sand is still there. The kids are still laughing. Ziggy keeps playing. Mama walks closer. Almost time. Almost sounds small. But Ziggy still feels fast and ready. Then Mama kneels. It's time to go. Time. Ziggy stops. But she was still playing. She thought she still had time. Her body feels hot. The other kids are still there. The slides is still shiny. Why does she have to stop? No! Ziggy shouts. I'm not done! Tears fill her eyes. She runs to the swing. If she swings again, maybe it is not time yet. Mama walks slowly behind her. You're having so much fun, Mama says softly. Yes, Ziggy cries. She pumps her legs hard. I stay! Her face feels crunchy. Her cheeks feel warm. It's hard to stop when you're playing. Ziggy cries louder. Mama takes a slow breath. In, like smelling a flower. Out, like blowing a candle. Ziggy is still crying. Mama does it again. Slow, soft. Ziggy watches. Her crying gets quieter. She tries one small breath. In, out. Her body still feels mad, but not as big as before. Mama holds her hoof. It's time to stop playing today, Mama says gently. There are times to play and times to go home. Ziggy sniffles. She does not like it. She walks to the slide. Bye, she says, her voice small. She pats the swing. Bye. She wiggles her toes in the sand one last time. The other kids are still playing. That makes it feel harder. Mama holds her hoof. We can come back and play again. Ziggy looks back at the park. The slide is still there. The swings are still moving. The park is waiting. Step by step, they walk through the gate. Ziggy is still a little sad, still a little mad, but she is walking, and tomorrow will come.